To get all rows from Google Sheet, I'll create a new scenario. I also have a list of items in my Google Sheet. It's here. And then I don't want even to rename this, just for testing purposes. I will add a module here. So I'll search for Google Sheets. Then click on that. And I want to search for rows, and I'll click on that, the advanced path. I hope you have a connection already. If you don't have a connection, then you'll go ahead and add a connection, sign with Google. Then you'll be able to add your connection to the Google account where you want to fetch the data from. So I'll choose a file here. The name of my spreadsheet is sales data. So I'll just click and search for sales data. So it's this. Then we need to use the Google Charts query language to fetch our data. So you need to select all. So I'll just copy this and paste here. And then we also need to sheet ID, select the sheet ID. Depends with the number of sheets that you have in your spreadsheet. So I only have one. And go ahead and save. And then I'll test this. So just run once. And it's done. So this is the output. And you can see the output is coming in bundles. So I'll just minimize this. So we have a lot of outputs. You can see it selected row by row. So we have one up to 50. Yeah, because this is just the raw number, but the actual number of items is starting from row number 2, of course. So 51, which means we have 50. So as simple as that, you can go ahead and use your data the way you want, maybe transform it into a JSON object and use it somewhere else. That is it for this short video. Thank you for taking your time to watch this. I hope you have learned something. See you in the next tutorial.